Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can block someone on YouTube. So let's start our video. First, go and open your YouTube Studio application. Once you do so, if somebody commented on your video and you want to block them, just select that video and then you will find a comment and you want to block that person, and make sure that that person not see your future videos on YouTube as well. All you need to do is to tap on the three dots here and tap on hide user from channel. So that way this user will not be able to see your future videos and will not be able to comment on your YouTube channel videos as well. There is another way you can do that on the YouTube application as well. I'm gonna show you that as well. So guys, once you open the YouTube application here, all you need to do is to tap on the search for the person that commented on your video. All you need to do is to search that person. You will find the person channel here. All you need to do is to tap on the three dots here. First select the channel first, then tap on the three dots, and here you will find the option hide user from my channel. All you need to do is to tap on it, and here they say hide existing and future moments from this user on my channel. All you need to do is to tap on hide user, and that is it. This person will not be able to see your future videos on your channel. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.